going to switch over videos to my video explaining how to calculate the number 666 from the number of Donald Trump and his two plans, Project 2025 and Agenda 47. That's going to be an instructional video. But before I go to that, I just wanted to add here at the beginning that this is not a standalone random thing to calculate these Trump's number along with Project 2025 and Agenda 47. If you'd like more information on why this is relevant, I would recommend you check out Brother Paul's YouTube channel, which is called Antichrist 45, as well as looking into the Seventh-day Adventist doctrine of who the second beast of Revelation 13 is, which we identify as the United States of America. Also, Brother Paul, using a completely different study, looks at the seven heads and then concludes that the eighth head, again the eighth nation, Antichrist nation, is the United States of America. So those things tie in with this calculation of the number 666, and without further delay, I'm going to go over to the video that gives the instruction on how to calculate 666 using Trump, Project 2025, and Agenda 47. Thank you. Hi, in this video I want to explain how to calculate the number 666 using the number of Donald Trump, the name of the project, Project 2025, and the corresponding project called, or plan called, Agenda 47. So Trump's nickname, Trump's numerical nickname, the plan, Project 2025, and the plan, Agenda 47. Those three things together, when we calculate their numerical value, will add up to 666. Now let me explain how we're going to do that. First off, we'll look at Project 2025. So with the words project and agenda, we're going to disregard the numbers that are not have no numerical value as Roman numerals, and we're only going to count the letters in the word project and the word agenda whose numerical values are counted as Roman numerals. So the Roman numerals, just for a quick reference review, Roman numerals are I holds the value of 1, V holds the value of 5, X holds the value of 10, L holds the value of 50, C holds the value of 100, D holds the value of 500. And those are the ones that we need to know about. And also, as there is no J in Latin, J and I is used for the letter J. So when we see the J in the word project, we're going to count that as an I. So let's start with project, the word project from Project 2025. P, R, O hold no numerical value in Roman numerals. The next letter, J, whose Roman equivalent is the letter I, is counted as a 1. E holds no numerical value. C holds the value of 100. And T has no Roman numerical value. So the J and the C, J stands for an I, which would be 1, and C holds the value of 100. So for the word project, we calculate a value of 1 plus 100, which gives us 101. Now if we simply add to that the value of the word project, the numerical value of the word project, which is 101, we add 2 plus 0 plus 2 plus 5. So 2 plus 0 plus 2 plus 5 gives us 9. So we take the 101 from the word project and we add it to the number 9, which is the value for 2025, 2 plus 0 plus 2 plus 5. And our total numerical value for Project 2025 is 110. Okay, so Project 2025, that phrase has been calculated using Roman numerals to figure the value of the letters in the word project. And then the straightforward numbers are just added together from 2025. So we have 1 plus 100 for the J and the C, plus 2 plus 0 plus 2 plus 5 gives us 110 total value of the phrase Project 2025. Using the same method, now we can calculate the numerical value for Agenda 47. A, G, E, N hold no value as Roman numerals. Then we move to D, which holds the Roman numeral value of 500. And then again, an A has no numerical value. So for the word agenda, we have the value of 500. Now the plan is called Agenda 47. 47 referring to the number of the next president who's elected will be president number 47. So we have 500 for the letter D in the word agenda. Adding to 500 the 4 plus the 7 in Agenda 47, we add 500 plus 4 plus 7, and this gives us the total numerical value for the phrase Agenda 47 totals to 511. So Project 2025, that phrase holds the value of 110. And the plan Agenda 47, that phrase Agenda 47 has the total numerical value of 511. So taking the value of those two phrases, 110 plus 511, we can see right there we have around 100 and around 500, so we're getting in the ballpark of 666 when we add 110 and 511 together. We come to the total of 621. Now, moving along, we come to the nickname for Donald Trump. He has been associated with the number 45. As the 45th President of the United States, he's commonly referred to as 45. So, simply taking his numerical value, 45, as he's commonly known as he was the 45th President of the United States, we take the number of Trump, which is 45, and add it to the total value of the two plans that go together, Project 2025 and Agenda 47, whose values were 110 and 511. So we add 110 plus 511 for Project 2025 and Agenda 47, which gives us 621. And then when we add 45 for the numerical value of Trump, the 45th president, we add 621 plus 45 gives the number 666. Again, to recap, Trump, president number 45, plus the two plans, Project 2025 and Agenda 47, using the Roman numerals for the relevant letters in project and agenda, plus each number in 2025 and 47, add those numbers together with the Roman numerical values of project and agenda plus Trump's number 45, and that totals to 666. And share and like and hit the subscribe if you like this video. Share it, and if you think it's significant, then pass it along. Thank you for watching.